Hello everyone. As you all know, NSE will be conducted online this year. Participants will be able to attempt the NSE using an online proctored portal using their learning platform itself. Here are some of the guidelines for the Olympiad. First up, Olympiad date and time. As you all must be knowing, these are the dates for the Olympiad. On these dates, the timing will be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The duration for the Olympiad is 1 hour. So you can complete your exam in any 1 hour from the given time window. It is advisable that you start your Olympiad latest by 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time so that you can close it by 5 o'clock. For student outside India, you need to check your timing accordingly. Secondly, the content access. As you all should be aware that the study material is given in the learning platform to prepare for the Olympiad. You will only have the access to this content till 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time on the day of the Olympiad. That is, once the test window is opened, you will no longer be able to access the study material in any way. Now, let's discuss the format of the NEC question. The duration for the exam is 60 minutes. The exam will have 60 questions carrying 1 mark each. The order of the question is sequential. It means that you can only see a question once, and if you move to the next question, you cannot come back to the previous one. The exam will be multiple choice question type. It means that for each question, you will be given 4 options from which you have to select the correct option. There is also a negative marking of 25%. So for each correct answer, you are given 1 mark, but for each incorrect answer, 1/4 or 0.25 marks will be deducted additionally. So not all questions in the Olympiad are mandatory. If you are not sure about any answer, rather than doing the guesswork, it is advisable that you skip it. But remember, you cannot go back to the previous question once you skip. The exam will also have knowledge-based, STEM-based, application-based, and situation-based questions. And additionally, there will be some questions from the current affairs or current happenings in the field of astronomy. The score of the MCQ type exam will be percentile-based. So at the end, the result you will be getting as your percentile. Let me now discuss some important instructions to follow while taking the test. Firstly, students, please note that your entire Olympiad will be live proctored, and any malpractice may lead to disqualification from the NEC. During the Olympiad, your entire screen will be continuously monitored, and you are not allowed to open any other browser or switch between any pages on your screen, because your screen will be recorded and the only thing which should be present on your screen should be your exam questions. Any such attempts of changing the screens will be automatically flagged and captured. Secondly, you are not allowed to use any other electronic device, calculator or mobile for any calculation or any other reason. If you want to do the calculation, you can use a pen, pencil or notebook for the same. Third, your webcam should be all on for the entire duration of the test. And you're not allowed to move away from the test window for any reason whatsoever. All such activities will be immediately captured. Fourth, carry a water bottle and a pen and paper while sitting for the Olympiad, so that you don't have any reason to move away from the test window